Good afternoon, guys. Will Metals again. Just had a quick tip. I'm doing a 2006 Passat 2.0 turbo. Uh, Changing out the transmission. Had it checked out. The guy said valve body might be bad. Whole unit might be bad. So we're going to take the transmission out. I'm going to inspect the valve body before I change the transmission. I'm going to take it out, check the transmission, check the valve body. If the valve body needs to be replaced, I'll go ahead and clean it, fix it up, put it back in, and replace the transmission in. I also want to take it out because I want to check the condition of the clutch. It's an automatic, but it's that Tektronix transmission, so it does have a clutch in it. I want to check the condition of the clutch and the transmission as well. What I'm doing here, I want to give you a tip here, is that I'm taking out the transmission. I saw another video, didn't say anything about having to undo lines on the top. It was mostly about taking it out on the bottom. However, in getting to the bolts that hold the transmission onto the engine, as you can see, I've removed the cover for the battery. I removed the oil intake here. I actually don't know the name of that part, but it's over there sitting on the table, and also the little radiator square for the transmission fluid that goes right down here. Just took those off. Unhook the positive battery from over here. Loosen up all the nuts on the motor mount, because I'm going to be disconnecting this completely in order to slide the transmission out and be able to get it back in and fit it in. These lines here and this bolt here, you're going to have to take this piece off in order to get to it, and you're going to have to release these hoses so you can put them up here out of the way, and you can go ahead and get to these bolts. They're going to be, I think, T40. Yeah, T40, I got it around here somewhere. But those torque bolts like that, it's going to be a T40 like that to get those off of here and here. And up under here, there are 3 bolts that holds this on. I've already taken them off. They're going to look like this and be kind of hard to see. You can see that. But yeah, you're going to have to take that off in order to get to these bolts. You see that one down there, here, and here. But once you do take that off, take off the hoses, you should be able to get a firm grip onto those 3 and go ahead and release those. And I'm about to drop this axle, pull that axle out, unclip those hoses there and those lines, and then we'll be done. You see the bolts? I'll give you a better look. See your bolts here, that underhook here and here and over there, and pull this brace out the way. So that support beam, and pull that off to the side and get your other nuts up here. And you should be able to go ahead and drop her straight out. I'm going to leave a jack here up under the engine to keep it steady. Once I take away that motor mount, I've got a transmission jack. I'm going to bring it up under, hook the transmission up, lower it down slowly, pull it clean out. I'll get back with you with any more updates or notes if I find anything that's not